So it's about 10 o'clock, a little before 10 o'clock actually right now. And just a few hours ago, I decided that I was just going to set up all my gear and hammock and everything and test out this new hammock out here in my backyard. So I'm not out in the woods or anything. So this hammock, this is cool. I made this hammock. Completely DIY. I stitched it with a sewing machine and did the hemmed edges and everything. And if you were to look at it closely, you'd definitely be able to tell that someone who didn't know what they were doing did it. That would be me. The hammock suspension I did myself too. The only thing I did not do myself for the suspension was the tree straps, which has a loop on either end, which they're just polyester tree straps. I just bought them for $8, whatever. The adjustable part of the suspension, the whoopee slings, I made that myself out of some AM steel. Yeah, so this is an 11-foot hammock, and this is my first time really using it. I've sat in it, and I've laid in it a couple of times, but I've not slept in it yet. And right now, I've been in it for a little while, and I'm pretty comfortable. And yeah, so I was just out here playing my banjo-lele a little bit earlier. I've been practicing that for 4 days. I've never played a ukulele before. This one, if you don't know what a banjo-lele is, it's just a ukulele, but it looks and it sounds like a banjo. And you play it just like a ukulele, but it looks like a banjo, like a small banjo, and it has that kind of sound to it. I like that. So anyway, I'd never played one before. I didn't even know they existed, a couple weeks ago. But I was over at a friend's house for her birthday, and she had a ukulele there. She handed it to me, and I was just kind of messing around with it, and I was like, man, I really wish I knew how to play this. So my birthday was a week or two ago, and so I thought, yeah, why not? I'll get myself a present. And so I got myself that ukulele. Really cheap. I bought it on eBay for like $90. It's a Kimise, K-I-M or K-M-I-S-E, K-I-M-I-S-E, something like that, Kimise. It's decent. It's definitely your entry-level banjo-lele, but it's, it's not a toy. It's an actual instrument, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Anyway, I'm just kind of rambling. So I wanted to apologize about my absence for the past couple of weeks, especially with the ketogenic diet series. For the past couple of weeks, I've actually stopped the diet for no other reason than I just really wanted to eat whatever I wanted for my birthday. So I enjoyed some cake, some cupcakes. I enjoyed a lot of bread. And so the past 1 or 2 days now, I have gone back on the diet. So the ketogenic diet series will be kicking back on again, hopefully starting next week. Other than that, I've been really busy with a really big project that I'm very excited about, and I can't talk much about because it's in the very early stages. Nothing is concrete yet. But it involves my hike for the Appalachian Trail next year. It involves some charity, and it involves a fundraiser. That's really all I feel comfortable mentioning right now, and that's even probably too much. I got up around 5:30, a little before 5:30. I went inside and I fixed myself a cup of coffee. I came back out here in the hammock to enjoy the coffee because one of my favorite camping channels is Shugs, and his whole thing is enjoying his breakfast from the hammock. He has his Medaglia d'Oro espresso. Well, this isn't Medaglia d'Oro. It's not bad, it's not great, whatever. I will definitely say I enjoyed it more from inside my hammock than I ever did sitting in my kitchen drinking it. Even if I am just in my backyard, it was good coffee. Anyway, I'm just holding the mug to give the illusion that I'm still drinking the coffee because it was gone over an hour ago. So y'all, I have a request. I'd like to get your help with something. So I have a problem trying to figure out content for y'all. I know this is probably pretty boring because it's just me talking and sitting in a hammock, but I really don't expect anyone to really enjoy this video or my content yet. And, I'm still trying to figure it out. I've only been doing this for about a year and only, semi-seriously for a few months. What I'd like help with is figuring out what kind of content you want to see, keeping in mind the things that interest me and that I would like to make have to do with outdoors, camping, hiking. I'm getting into backpacking now. I've never really been much for bushcraft, but if you'd like to see some bushcraft, I don't know, let me know what you'd like to see. Something else that I've not thought of, let me know about that. This fall I'm hoping to do some hunting, just filler videos, something every week I can put something out, or every other week I can put something out. Let me know what you'd like to see, because I can't go on a big backpacking trip every week. I can't do that, and that's what I like. That's my main content, and I just can't do that every week. But I'd like to put out a video every week or so. So let me know what you'd like to see. Something simple, something, do you like this backyard camping thing? I can do that. Yeah, let me know what you'd like to see. I'll try to accommodate for that. Anywho, that's all I got for you this morning, so God bless.